Now it is time to do the deliberation for Throttle Dream Build 5. Everyone has put in their 2 cents. Everyone's gone through the list of all the submissions, and now is when we sit down and we go through everything together as a group and come up with the single winner for the next Dream Build contest. So I'm very excited. I've seen a couple of them, a couple weird choices, but we'll see what everyone thinks. This is what we have for our finalists. We have an SRT4, an F-150 Raptor, Crown Vic, SVT Lightning, 2 Preludes, S2000, Hyundai Veloster, Infiniti G35, Lexus SC300, Mazda Speed 3, Mazda Speed 6. Look at Will right now. Nissan 240SX, and then a Toyota Aristo. Those are the finalists right now. Prelude. Prelude. Ooh. Prelude. 3. Oh. Prelude. 4. Prelude.
Wow.
That is majority. Keep going. Keep going.
SC300, Prelude, and S2K. Prelude's the winner.
Damn, by a lot.
Wow. I was not expecting it to be like 95%. The winner of Throttle Dream Build 5 is Shelby Wilkerson out of Florida. Woo!
Florida car.
Now it's time to call Shelby the winner of Throttle VIP Dream Build 5. All right, here we go. From the Throttle account.
On Instagram?
On Instagram. You guys are not, my arm is not long enough.
You did 0.5, dude.
I don't have 0.5 on this camera.
Oh, it's ringing.
Oh, we look the same, man. Get over there. Yeah, there you go.
Shouldn't put an answer?
Oh, what's good, dude?
Hey.
Who's that? Oh, no answer.
We're setting a recall.
Recall. We're recalls right now.
Alright, recall.
Recalling. Stand right next to me.
It's a little awkward if she doesn't answer this one. Oh, come on.
It's 7 o'clock. She's at work.
Oh, she's probably at work.
No, dude, it's 7 o'clock.
People work sometimes past 7 there, buddy.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hi, is this Shelby? Hold on, hold on.
Hello.
How's it going?
I just got my wisdom teeth out yesterday.
Oh. Well, we have some good news for you. You ready for it? You're sitting down already.
My heart's racing.
Hey, buddy.
So we selected your 5th gen Prelude for the next Throttle Dream Build project. Congrats.
Yeah.
That's a good reaction.
Congratulations.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. So you guys are in Florida, right?
Yes, we are.
All right.
Not so long.
With a car. Yeah, so congratulations. After this call, we'll reach out, get the car shipped out here. We'll work together on what parts, what colors, what things you guys like, don't like, and we are going to transform your car. And the next time you see it after that, it's gonna be a whole new thing.
You okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions for us right off the bat? I'm sure there'll be a lot of questions, so don't worry.
I'm taking it all in.
Yeah, that's fine.
I just entered just to do it, and I never would have expected. Like,
Well, it worked.
It worked. No, we appreciate you being a Throttle VIP member. We all took a liking to the car, thought it had a lot of potential, and thought that we could help transform it for you. So congratulations again. And we'll be on the phone real soon figuring out all the details.
okay.
All right. All right, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. That's it for Throttle Dream Build 5. If you guys like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.